Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use the Facebook app step by step. In today's tutorial, we will explain how to remove your phone number from your account on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, press on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till you get setting and privacy. Click on settings. After that, click on personal information. Then press on contact info. Click on this icon. After that, press on remove. You will get notification. Are you sure you want to remove your mobile phone number from your account? And Facebook pay your attention that it's very important to keep your mobile phone, to have your account secure, to reset password and so on. Press on I understand. After that, click on remove number. Click your password here. After that, click on remove phone. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to remove your mobile phone number from your account on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.